Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a simple updated guide on how to delete a group on Facebook. If you've decided that your group has run its course or you're just ready to clean up your online space, this step-by-step process will help you do it quickly and correctly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the group you want to delete. Then, go to the Groups page. You can find it by searching for its name or tapping on it from your Groups tab. Once you're in the group, it's time to remove all the members. Tap on the Members tab at the top of the screen. This will show a list of everyone in the group, starting with the admins. You'll need to remove each member one by one. Tap on a member's name, select Remove Member, and confirm. Repeat this step until every member has been removed except for you. This part can take a little time if your group has many people, but it's necessary. Facebook won't allow it to delete a group that still has members. When you reach the end and you're the only person left, you're ready for the final step. Now, go back to the group's main page. Look to the top right corner for the three dots icon. Tap it. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Group. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure. Once you confirm, Facebook will permanently delete the group. Keep in mind, once the group is deleted, everything in it, posts, comments, and shared content will be gone for good. Make sure to download or save anything important before confirming deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook group. If this guide helped you, consider checking out our other tutorials for more quick and updated tips on managing your online accounts more effectively.